And copyrighted music, copyrighted music. Check out the other Ace members, poster coin shirts there. Yeah, it's a really good day. So tomorrow we pretty much got the whole park set. We got here to some right time, like before and after. Plus, usually they give us like a lane day. Let's just go in, catch a line up everything in the park. And plus we get the food and to get reserve seating for all the shows and stuff. Yeah. So yeah, definitely check out their events. They're really good. Here we go. Yep. Yeah, it's amazing. No lines today, hardly.
Yeah, I noticed a lot of parks have this Batman.
Which one?
This Batman.
Oh, that model? The Batman model?
Is it identical to the Batman?
Pretty much. We got 3 of them in Texas. We got this one. Tomorrow, if you go to Fiesta, Texas, you'll see something called the Goliath. It's a reverse image of this one.
Okay.
But pretty much a clone. But I think it only has 7 rows instead of 8 rows of cars seats.
And then one in Dallas.
Yeah, and then the one in Dallas. Yeah, so we got 3 of them in Texas. Fun little coaster.
Yeah, the launch was a little bit underwhelming.
Yeah, but it's a family coaster.
Yeah.
So. Yeah. Oh, make sure you're riding Iron Right like tomorrow. And I forgot Dr. Diabolical's cliffhanger. Yeah, there's one where they hangs you over the edge and then drops you straight down. It's a brand new one. They just opened. It's called Dive Coaster. That one's a lot of fun.